Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review this true wireless earphone from Baseus. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. It's like Baseus Choc Music. It's like the type name is like W09. So this one costs around $20 in AliExpress. Yeah, I buy like a month ago and it just come around 2 days. And then if we see in the box, like it has like high fidelity and then automatic switching and dual capacitive touch. So the automatic switching, I believe it's like a feature that you can use both of the earphones separately. Like for example, if you use the right one and then maybe like the right one is the battery is low and you put in the case and then you take the left one and you use it, and then it's gonna properly work like that. Because usually in the generic true wireless earphone, you know, like the one in the right is the main one that you cannot use separately this left one without the right one. So if you want to use the only one of the earphone, you need to use the right one. But for this one, I think you can switch between left or right. And then it has like Bluetooth version 5, and then it also has like IP54 grade dust proof and waterproof. I don't really believe like if it waterproof. It might be splash proof, I think, but not with that one. So it has like 4 to 5 hour music time using the earphone itself, and the battery capacity is like around 450 milliampere hour. And then you can use it like to charge it 4 times, I guess, like 20 hours to 25 hours listening music with the charging case. And it already used USB Type-C, since you know, like most of generic earphone, usually they still use the micro USB-B, and that sucks because nowadays, as you know, like people use USB Type-C. Like this one in my Note 9 is already use USB Type-C. So let's do quick unbox. So yep, in the website you can buy like black, white, red, and like green teal color like that. So you have like 4 options. Okay, in here you have this quick start guide. I think, yeah, it's in Chinese and in English. Yeah, no need, and it's like thanks in some language. So after that, the earphone, it's the charging case. It's so small, get that. And it's quite hard to take it. The earphone itself, yeah, if you look at here, the shape, it's similar to Apple EarPods, I guess. Yeah, you see it. Oh, I think it's turned on now already. Yeah, and then but this one is not really similar. Yeah, usually, like, you know, like the generic one that clone the EarPods, they have like silver ring in here, but this one is not. Okay, let me put it in the case to charge. Let's see the black one. Same guide, USB Type-C. You see, this is USB Type-C, because these days is use USB Type-C. Okay, again, the right one, the left one, done. I think they have also data charging cable. Yeah, they have data charging cable in here. So I finished like doing charging to these earbuds for a little bit. So in here you can push the button to see the indicator of the charging. I believe if is it white, it is like quite full, but if it's red, it's in low battery, I guess, because even in the instruction they don't put it what color is it to do. Okay, so regarding size, this true wireless earphone is so small. Look at that, it's so small. I think it's like around, look at that, around 5 centimeter only. Yeah, the case itself, and with the width it's like 2 centimeter. And then if you compare to Galaxy Buds, this one, it's like Galaxy Buds, it's taller and thicker. Yeah, like this. If you compare it like this, Galaxy Buds, if is it open, yeah, this one you can open it like with one hand. See, you can open it with one hand, but this one, no, it's not ergonomic, so you need to use two hands to open these things. But this one hand, take this one and this one. Okay, that's regarding the size. So I'm gonna try to pair one of them. I think I'm gonna use the white one. Okay, let's use the white one. Okay, it shows. Oh, I don't know why it show 2 item. I hope it's not both of them. It made me confused. So in the instruction, when the instructions say like you need to put like hold this thing until it's have a sound like, okay, so both of them is already on, I think. Yeah, and turn off together. Okay, it's already turned off, all of them, both of them. I'm gonna check it again. Let's see. Scan. Okay, it's not showing right in here because it become like separate device if you do it like this. If you turn it on together, okay, see there, it's become only one device, I guess. Yeah, pair. Oh, I'm gonna try to use it. Well, it fits quite perfect in my ear. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, the earphone itself is fit perfectly in my ear. If you see it like this, like perfect fit. It doesn't like want to fall out, I guess, compared to Galaxy earbuds. And yeah, I don't know, like for some people I think this one is like quite big size, but for me it's okay. So I'm gonna check the audio quality after this. Okay, so in here I use Spotify to try the music. Let's choose like some like the sound is quite good, but not really heavy bass. Like if you compare to Galaxy Buds, it's not really heavy bass. Yeah. See, interesting. So the sound itself is quite good from this thing, but as you know, like this style of earpods, it doesn't have like sound isolation compared to Galaxy Buds, and I can a little bit hear some noise. Like for example, in here, like I have like water running in the background, so that's not really a bummer for me. But if you are traveling a lot, like in commuter or something, you might need to consider these things. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try to pull off one of them. So this one I put the right in the case, you know, it's still operating. So in here it doesn't have any sensor. If you see, they don't have any sensor. So like in AirPods, you have like sensor in here, so whenever like you take out one of them, it's gonna pause the music, and then for this one it's not. Okay, and then I press this one and it's turned back. And then if I take this one, and okay, it's another, I touched this one. So if I take another one and then put, it's still playing actually. If you see, it's still playing. It's gonna pause the play if you put both of them together. See? So in terms of sound, this true wireless earphone, it's quite good for the price. It's only $20 in AliExpress. You can buy it. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Compared to the one that generic and try to clone the earpods, the one from Apple, this one is the best, I guess, because the one that usually you cannot use only the left one. So for example, if you're calling someone and then your battery is run out, and then you wanna like use one of them so you can charge the another one, but in this case you cannot do that in the another earphone, but for this one you can do that. So that's another plus. And USB Type-C everywhere, so you only need one cable and done. So that's all for the Baseus W09 earphone. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the another video.